Hello, my name is Billy Manger, and today I'm going to explain how my tech project, the Smart Lock, works. As you can see, there's a Bluetooth chip, transistor, 2 LEDs, 1 LCD screen, 1 fingerprint sensor, and 1 solenoid lock, all wired to the Arduino. There are 2 methods of unlocking this lock. The first method is by using the fingerprint sensor, and the second method is by using a smartphone that can connect via Bluetooth to the lock. The first method I'm going to show you is using the fingerprint sensor. So I'm going to scan the wrong finger first. Now I'm going to scan the right finger. And as you can see, the lock unlocked. I have it set to hold for 10 seconds, and then it will automatically relock. So that's the first method. Now for the second method, I'm going to connect via my cell phone to the Bluetooth chip. So now I have it set to a code of open123, so when I type that in, you'll see that the lock will unlock. So I'm just going to type that in here. So I sent that, and then the lock unlocked. Now if I type in the wrong code, and send that, oh, sorry, I'll try that again. It said invalid code and the red LED went.